Abatura bakabingo mwirindiro ry'enyamishwa irya Kibale National Park umuri Mpocha kandi aba bakabingo mwaka gwa 1994 konka kwihobwo entebekanisa zo kubashumbusha zitwire nizitebekanisa bwabo
nyombe zikukira kutunga nezeza ezamari enjojo mwawuro mwana ko yana bakangisa atoro ryo kuneza kutuma enjojo ijampa bamwe mwisha kurugaye.
Few years ago, as the MC was telling us that Amin invited people here, well, he was trying to solve a problem at that time, but he invited people here to settle as a way of decongesting Kabale. So this guy settled here, and a sub-county was formed.
Abatura bakabingwa hitaka rukingana square kilometers omutwaro gumwe kandi umwanya ugu gukabyarwa mu imiti
twaza kupemeke bere cyona ninjya tuba turi abagayiga munonga ati recent survey ningashi okupema okwabeyireho tukapema miliyoni emwe n'emitwaro 85 za carbon dioxide
twume byo buhangwa mumanye kikugira ki ikiramanyisa bagamba tuwalizi muninge byo burambuzi umanye kiragira ki kuko uje ngo twabohereza babunyangabo n'abana kana bakamwenje umuze muyamba muze kwiga mwamura baza kutahana kamekusha
okuba kwataraho uko babahire bikwato bitari bimwe na bimwe okubahwera kurwana sobworo makagabo
kandi yenda kusima government ya Uganda umulingo gumwe niye rweberwa his excellency yore kakuta Museveni ngo bebale kuzo mu parliament bakatayisa iteka elyo compensating abantu abali kuherera kibira
abatura abaganyirwa mbuhwezo ubu nabargombicwe kanka Fort Potro Bunyangabo Chegegwa hamwe na Kamwenge kandi basimera ba uwa ahabwo kubijuka
shemererwa munonga shemererwa kureba ngo uwa batahi biku nibatugwanaho kurabira mutuhereza amatungo
abahirwe bukwatebi bashabirwa kubikuma kurunji amakuru agagasha kwa Anthony Twine